Hi everyone! The new Identities feature allows you to use a different caller number for outgoing calls. Here is our normal behavior. I call my colleague and they can see my name and my extension on their screen. Now let's use the new Identities feature. I press a special BLF key configured on my phone, and now I can select a different identity. In my case, I can choose between Sales Department and Support Team. And you can see that on my phone the new identity is displayed. When I call my colleague, they can see this new caller number and caller name instead of the real one. Let's see how to set it up. First of all, you will need to add a new user especially for this purpose, a so-called shared extension, because this identity can be then used by multiple users. Don't use existing extensions for this purpose. And now edit the preferences of those users who will need to change their identities. Scroll down to Settings, Identities field, and enter the extension of the shared account that we have just created. You can use more than one identity, so you can enter several identities into the field separated by commas. I'll add the second shared account I've just created, Support Team, so I will add it to the field as well. And now we can also add the BLF key identities for my user. Let's see again. By pressing this BLF key, I can select between the two identities that I have just configured. The new identity is then displayed on my phone screen. And this feature can be used to change the identity both for external and internal outgoing calls. Regarding external calls, you know when you call externally, the office number is used as your caller number. For example, right now I have the office number which ends with 11. So normally this phone number will be used as my caller number for external calls. The shared sales department extension has the office number which ends with 10. So when I use the identity sales department for external calls, the office number of the sales department, so the one ending with 10, will be used as the caller number and not my own office number. And by the way, other than the BLF key, you can also use the feature code 78 to change the identity.